Ever wanted to start your own copywriting business but don't know where to begin? Well, thanks to AI, you don't need years of experience or a huge budget to get started. In this video, I'll show you how you can launch and scale an AI-powered copywriting business using tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai, all from the comfort of your home. Let's dive in. Traditional copywriting requires years of practice, but AI accelerates the process by helping you generate engaging, high-converting content in minutes. Whether it's writing blogs, crafting sales emails, or creating social media captions, AI tools can assist with it all, allowing you to serve multiple clients effortlessly. To launch your AI-powered copywriting business, you need the right tools. Here are three of the best. 1. ChatGPT, great for generating in-depth articles, brainstorming ideas, and refining content. 2. Jasper, perfect for marketing copy, sales pages, and ad campaigns. 3. Copy.ai, ideal for short-form content like product descriptions, email subject lines, and social media posts. These tools allow you to take on more clients and deliver content faster than ever before. Now that you have your AI-powered copywriting tools, let's talk about how to land clients. Sign up on sites like Upwork and Fiverr to find businesses looking for copywriting services. Reach out to small businesses, startups, and agencies that need content marketing. Showcase your skills by sharing AI-generated content and engaging with potential clients on LinkedIn and social media. Start with smaller projects, gather testimonials, and then scale up your pricing as you build your reputation. To grow your AI copywriting business even faster, you need the right tools to automate and streamline your workflow. That's where ToolQ.com comes in. ToolQ provides AI-driven automation tools to handle repetitive tasks, business management solutions to organize client projects, and marketing tools to help you promote your services. By integrating ToolQ into your workflow, you'll be able to scale your business effortlessly and increase your revenue while working smarter, not harder. And that's how you can start a profitable AI-powered copywriting business in 2024. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI business ideas, and drop a comment below with any questions. Also, don't forget to check out Tool.com to level up your copywriting game. See you in the next video.